Hi, and welcome to this tutorial series. My name is Sean Ian Rose and I am an environment and prop artist working in the games industry. I have experience working on AAA and indie titles and have spent the majority of my career focused on environment and prop creation, where I collaborate on a day-to-day with other disciplines to create props that support gameplay, narrative, and environment designs. I have partnered with FlippedNormals to create this tutorial series, which is broken up into chapters, each focusing on different key elements of my workflow, as well as how to avoid common mistakes. Full disclaimer, this tutorial series is best for those who have intermediate knowledge of modeling and baking, as I will not be covering the basics. I will be using a variety of different software, some plugins, and hotkeys, which I will highlight and show the default feature of inside of Maya. If you use another 3D application for modeling, you can still learn valuable information and workflow tips that will translate to your preferred package. I start this tutorial series off by covering reference gathering and block mesh, then I move into high poly and low poly workflows. I will then get into texturing inside of a substance painter, then back to Maya for how to rig and animate the asset. Lastly, bringing it all together for final renders and presentation. By the end of this series, you'll be fully prepared to create an animated hard surface asset from concept to final. So let's get started.